this is Daniel, and this is my end of day review for April 8th on ES futures. And so we started the day with push down, but the context does matter. Prior, we had Trump news, so we had to gap up into spike in channel, but channels evolve into trading ranges. So we mark out relative highs up here in a low with the trading range, which started with the first pullback of the breakout. Now looking at prior to 6:30 market open, we see that we have one push, second push, third push down, extension of the wedge. So if I go into the 5-minute on RTH on the regular trading hours, we realize that there's actually a wedge here. So we have bar 18, reversal bar, with a nice breakout bull bar. I don't think this is enough to buy, even with the wedge and sharp reversal. In a moment, it's pretty strong, pretty convincing bear trend. And at the moment, I did not see 3 legs down because I wasn't looking at the Globex chart. We start off with 3 bear bars, and we have trapped bears on bar 4. Bulls who bought the close of bar 4, we trapped out of their entry. So it's a key level. Pull back for a bit. To the breakout point, where bulls on the close of bar 3 bar micro channel, break even. You get 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes up, inside, outside, inside formation, suggesting sort of final flag. This really suggests that we will not have a bear trend day today. So we have this flag, final push down over extension. Lower high, higher low 2, breakout bar 25. I think this is really interesting. At first I was like, why is this not a good short? Right, we have bar 22, 2 bar reversal, essentially short. We're at the bottom of the range that I marked out from the electronic hours. And we're at the wedge, 3 pushes down. So despite these positive confluences, we're canceled out by a wedge, bottom of range, exhaustion behavior, right? Trading range behavior. So, decent buy for stops, close of 25, 27 pullback. Where would there be resistance? Right, that's our question. When we're up here, we pulled back, small pullback, macro double bottom, second leg up. Second leg up gives trap bears on bar 4, a break even point. So we meet sellers here. Second leg down, second pullback, micro double bottom at EMA. Now outside bar is not that good trading range, right? But 51 looked pretty good. So I'm about to close at 51, or technically 52. And I held until right here, which would be the break even for trap bulls on bar 43. Near enough to trap bulls on bar 4. Now, it did go a little bit higher, but obviously I'm not going for maximum profit. I'm going for guaranteed profits. We have a double top here, wedge here. Arguably, we have a wedge from here too, right? Breakout bar, huge bar on bar 58. So we have trap bulls here, who about to close, right? We have this breakout point, and these bulls have met. So we're looking at this area as resistance. We break out, we have support here, but it's such a large bar. So bulls are trying to just take the least loss possible. They'll sell on a pullback. Confusion. Decent sells anywhere here. But we are at support of this low and this low. But like I said, we are in trading range, and bears who got trapped out here, they need their exit. So we get a second leg down, third leg down. Third leg, parabolic wedge. Parabolic wedge. We were micro channel, big tails. Really strong for the bulls. At support. We probably still get the second leg, but it turns out to be minor, and we continue the second leg of the zero micro channel. The leg is achieved, 95% way. Pullback, reversal bar. Decent buy. I marked it out, but I did not take it because we were at the 50% pullback of this leg. 2 up. However, in trading range days, we tend to close near the open. So this is a magnet. This magnet we would come close to, and we give trap traders up here an exit, where we would sell off for a bit. Overall, some other good trades. Buy stop above 24. Double bottom. Buy stop above 35. We have a big outside bar, 55. These are bad, not optimal sell stops. Bar 62, decent breakout. Second leg, prediction. These are not good shorts. The range is too big on 69 to take first entry. And I think 73, in my opinion, is just too big of a bar to go unnoticed. Completely reversing almost the exhaustive moves. One push, second push, 3 pushes down, parabolic wedge, 3 pushes down, 4 push down. Completely reversed by 1 bar. Breakout, pullback, decent buy. Above 75. if I were to rank these trades, bar 36 was probably the best. Everything else is a little bit less optimal, but definitely takeable. And I only took one trade today. Trade was 5 contracts for 5.25 points on a 25K account. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.